So it's time for you to register for your college orientation. But I bet you don't know why it's so important. Orientation is a time to meet some of your future classmates and learn more about what student life is like on campus. And of course, a great time to make new friends and future besties. Okay, maybe that sounds a little bit corny, but orientation is a rite of passage, and it can really determine how the rest of your college career plays out. So of course, we've gotta do a video on this. So in this video, we're gonna give you 5 pieces of advice on how you can make the most out of your college orientation. Number 1, register early. So if you're going to a bigger school, you might actually be able to pick your orientation date instead of having one assigned to you. If that's the case, then you're gonna wanna pick the earliest date. This is gonna allow you to learn all the information you need to know and just generally feel more prepared for school way before you actually have to report to school. Number 2, don't be afraid to ask questions. No one goes into college having all of the answers, and that's where your orientation leaders can help. Here are some key questions you might wanna ask. Where are the best study spots on campus? Where should I buy textbooks? What's covered in my meal plan? Who can I talk to if I'm feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Can I add or drop classes after I've registered? It might feel uncomfortable to speak up and ask those questions, but I guarantee you there's probably other students out there who have the same questions. So be that leader, ask those questions, and you can save a lot of hassle down the road. And remember, if you don't ask, you don't know. Number 3, take advantage of social events. Do not skip any social events that are offered during orientation week. Big mistake. The purpose of these events are to help you meet more people and get adjusted with college life. And you definitely could use all the help that you can get because college is a big adjustment. Plus, these events are really fun and you're gonna remember them forever. Number 4, explore your campus and your surrounding community. If you have some downtime between your orientation events, this is a perfect time to explore your neighborhood. Grab one of your new besties and head to a coffee shop, see where you can buy your groceries, and see what are the best restaurants. This will ensure about time you actually start at school, you're already a pro on the area, freshman or senior. No one's gonna be able to tell. So if your orientation is online, you might wanna check the website or the school's YouTube to see if they have some virtual tours. This will help you get a better idea of the campus's layout. And number 5, don't forget to be yourself. It has been a really weird year, so it is perfectly normal to feel anxious about meeting new people for the first time in a long time. But you're not alone. Most likely, everyone else is nervous too, and there might even be some upperclassmen who are nervous to go back to school. While orientation is a great time to socialize your way through the week, it's also important that you take some time for yourself. Read a book, listen to music, just stare off into space and get off of social media. All of this can be pretty overwhelming, so make sure you listen to your body and do what's best for you. For more info or ideas about how you can make the most of orientation or how you can just make the most of college, make sure you head to getschooled.com. This is such an exciting time in your life, and Get Schooled will be right there with you. See you in the next video.